Goeiedag kiddo's, mijn naam is Asha. My name is Asha. Welcome to mijn kanaal Afrikaans Kiddo's.
Vandaag gaan jullie leren de getallen van 31 tot 40 leren. Regelen de numbers from 31 to 40. Laat ons beginnen. Let us start. 31, 31, 31. 32, 32, 32. 33, 33, 33. 34, 34, 34. 35, 35, 35. 36, 36, 36. 37, 37, 37. 38, 38, 38. 39, 39, 39. 40, 40, 40. Revision. These are the numbers from 31 to 40. Dit is die nummers van 31 tot 40. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.